welcome back to my channel. For those who know me and those who don't know me, my name is Brittany and I'm back with another video.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding.
So guys, in today's video I'll be doing a try on haul, as you guys can tell by the title. So I bought this dress and I was like, I actually filmed this vlog, like this try on haul video before. I was supposed to post it like right around the New Year's beginning right there. So girl lost the footage. Well, not all of it, but some of the footage, and I was like, I think I deleted it by accident. So here's a second attempt at it. So these dresses that I have, I recently bought them, and me I say I kind of want to show you guys the little new vibe, the little 2024, because me tell myself in 2024 I'm gonna be looking prim and proper all the while. Tell look homeless. Last year was like my homeless looking year for the most part. So this year, new style, but I said new me, but you know what I mean, like, yeah, new me, new mentality, new mindset, like just the grind this year. That is me this year, right? Anyways, so I'm gonna try on some dresses for you guys. I'm like, I have like all these outfits, these dresses, they're all dresses. I did not throw them on the ground. I got, I think it's eight dresses. I'm gonna be trying them on for you guys, and you guys can tell me what y'all think and which one is your favorite. I kind of have an idea which one is my favorite, but only doesn't let me know phone of favorites. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, we're gonna start off look like soft. So there's this black dress, really nice. It has like this nice like a pattern, like ruffle, whatever this one called at the side, this. So me like it. So here what, so I'm gonna try it on, and it's like one strap, one side shoulder, yes. So I'm gonna try it on right now. So this is outfit number one, well, dress number one. So this is how it looks, really nice, and I love it. Me love it. It's like so comfortable. Like I really feel like I need to go to gym and lose weight. Yesterday before me wear that dress here, I don't know, because like it gave a big belly. But what I love about the dress, it's like it long. Like I don't know if you can see it. It's like past my knee. Now like when I got school and they said 2 inches below the knee. Yeah. The old uniform is 2 inches below the knee. That is what this dress is giving. But it's nice because it's like, put a nice jacket over it and boom, get a church outfit. Take off the jacket and boom, you got a date outfit. You know, you want to go on a date, you want to look sophisticated and just elegant and just, you know, this is it. Like, so yeah, this is dress number one, and it is given. Now for dress number two, we have this blue one. It kind of, you carry the top here across and tie it. So we're gonna try this on next. So guys, this is dress number two. Alright, so kind of short. Pull it down. But anyways, this is dress number two. I kind of like it. It's nice. It's comfy. Like I love the material. Like the material of it is super nice. Like I'm going to find the tag for say what part it's from. But anyways, yeah, so the material is super nice, and it just stretchy, like really stretchy, really comfortable. Lots of support here. So because I am big here, like big busted, and so like finding dresses that gives me support here is always like a problem for me. But this dress does give a lot of support, and like I initially bought it to wear to church because, you know, why not? So yeah, so this is outfit number 2. So comment down below what you guys would rate it as. I would rate outfit number 1 at like 8 out of 10. This one, same, 8 out of 10. Wanna comment down below what one would rate them as, so I can know. Now we are on to outfit number 3, guys. So this is it's almost like a 2-piece, but it's not a 2-piece. Like, I'm gonna try and show you how it look. But anyways, this one is so yeah, go try it on to outfit number 3. So guys, this is outfit number 3. Like, me love it. I am in love with it. Like, it has this nice little split at the side and right here, so it's giving sexy but still chic, like, you know, like. And then this is the back. The back is still very beautiful. So I feel like you have the right amount of style, the right amount of sexiness, the right amount of flair, but it still gives like, and it's super comfortable. Like, I feel like this is the perfect summer dress. I feel like majority of dresses I'm gonna buy are summer dress, and it's crazy because we're in winter and it's like -40 something outside right now with the wind chills, which is like, but anyways, yeah, I know what's still come, right? And to be fair, no watch me because maybe still go outside in them dress here to an occasion in them type of weather here. So me stay. But anyways, so this is outfit number 3. Me, I'll give it one nice 9 out of 10 because it's nice. It's really nice. It's so comfortable. A lot of support here. Again, I mean, it's covering. It's like the right amount of skin is showing. You get what I mean? So it's really beautiful. It's really nice. So on to outfit number 4. So guys, this is outfit number 4. So it's this nice little brown dress. It's like, guys, I love it. I feel cute. I feel smexy. I feel beautiful. I feel very, very feminine. Like, I love the corset. Like, I really do love the corset vibe that's going on here. It comes with cuffs in here, so that's like really good support. And then them little cute style and stuff for the one down here. So like, it's giving. Like, this is the back. Guys, this dress is giving like, hold on, my angle it for no. Yeah. I feel like I'm the angle the dress, but the angle and triangle is, yeah. But yeah guys, I love it. 10 out of 10. I'm giving this a 10. This is very cute. It's really nice. It's like giving date vibe. It's giving going out with your girls vibe. It's giving graduation celebration vibe. It's giving so much. Like, there's so much places you can wear this. You can discuss somebody's wedding if it's like not too fancy, but also it kind of give a little fanciness to it. I don't know, but it's nice. I like it. It's cute. I want to think. Alright, so that is how much me I give 10. Me I give 10. What wanna say? Comment down below what your score is. And on to dress number 5. So guys, this is outfit number, this is our 5. Dress number 5, and I like it. I like the little flare that going on and the like little back out the door thing. Yeah. So love this dress, and guys, guess the best part. The best part, it has pockets. Guys, me in love with dress with pocket. So even though for me right now it's a 9.5, and I say why 9.5. 9 because I feel like up here so kind of fit. It looks awkward on me, like it feels comfy, but I feel like it looks awkward. So maybe it's not my style of dress, I don't know. But I said that because like maybe it's not my style of dress for my body type, but I give it a 0.5 because I'm still gonna wear it, and it has pockets. Like, me in love with dress will have pockets. Like if when me getting married my wedding dress can have a pocket, that would be a stealer for me. That would be the highlight of my wedding day, if my dress have pockets. Just kidding. But anyways guys, love the dress. I give it a 9.5 because it's like really nice. It's like really, and it's given summery. Like, between me step what's in my clothes when I summer whatever occasion I have to go, even if I winter, spring, no matter. Wait, but that's how wait, right? But that's how wait, guys. But this is nice. It's really nice. I can also wear it to church. Just like a jacket over it. Boom. It have a vibe, right? And I mean, I feel like it's a multi-purpose dress. Yeah, it's nice. I can't get over the pockets. And guys, I bought this dress about 3 weeks now. No, I feel like it's been, yeah, 3 weeks now, and I didn't know it had a pocket until today when I'm trying it on just now. I saw the pockets while zipping it up, and I was like, oh, there's a pocket here, and I go, whatcha? So I love it even more than when I just bought it. So yes guys, so this is dress number 5. Give it a 9.5. What would I give it as? All right, so now going on to dress number 6. So guys, this is outfit number, what is 6? Yes, boy. So this is outfit number 6. Love the dress. It's giving date vibes, like white. Me love it, but I feel like here, so it doesn't give a lot of support, especially because the material could have been better. It's like really thin. Material is super thin. The design is great. The material is thin. So, you know, so when girl I wear this, girl I figure have on whatever underneath, and have them something there when we can put on the material and then pin it so that it can stay down, and you know, stay down. Yeah, cause I feel like if me jump 2 times, everything I go. See me. You know what I'm saying? So love the dress. Like, me giving her like a 360. Yeah. So this is dress number 6. Me cover up right here because me pretty sure the material thin, and me don't want to see. Not want enough to see. So we just have to be very precaution because we cannot see what I say. But anyways, yeah. So this is the dress, guys. Me love it. I love it. I am gonna wear it same way, but me just like go put some look alterations here. Yes, that me make to say. So this is dress number 6. I give it me go with 8. And I say 8 because even though I really genuinely love the design, I do not love the way it fits up here, and I don't like the material. I feel like the material could have been thicker or better quality, not thick, but better quality material, because it feels good, but it feels like it's a cheaper quality than the rest of the dress them that I tried on, and I feel like it could be a little thicker. I don't know, but that's just my opinion on it. So belly big downs, don't worry, me I got gym. I got gym, guys. It's soon gone. Alright, soon gone. Alright, so on to dress number 7. So guys, this is outfit number 7. I love it. I'm loving it. I love it. Like, it's nice. Love the quality of the material. It's a better quality than the other one. It's really nice. I know this doesn't look like it's good support, but it is. Like this, because of these straps and how good the quality of the material is, and it's actually thick. Well, kind of thick. So love it. I'll give this a 10 out of 10. Like, it's nice, and I feel like it gives the best color, like me I try to say it gives the right amount of exposure in the right places, like, you know, so that you can, like, guys. I feel like my mother don't look like me so crazy right now. But anyways, I love it. Like, this is really cute. It's really nice. This is like something you can wear go out. So I mean, it's white, so I wouldn't recommend wearing it to like bars and places there, unless you can carry white real good and you know the banana still not look up on you. But yeah, like it's nice, it's cute. I put a little nice necklace. You go pay a nice little date. I have a nice little earring and your nice little ears. Like this dress, and I can dress it down and I can dress it up. That's what I like about the dress. So really love it. And yeah, me give it a 10 out of 10. Showing you the back. That's what the back look like. Yep. So me give it a 10 out of 10. Let me know what I'm gonna give it out, like how much I'm gonna rate it at down in the comment section. Right? So on to probably my favorite dress, because I just love how it look. Like my favorite dress so far, and we are gonna try that on. It is giving birthday, wedding, all kind of vibes. Like, you go, my sis. Ready? Ready? Alright. So guys, one thing, like, this is outfit number 8, right? Like, me love it. It have like, why if I go and fit, it have some nice patterning down here, like the ruffles and all, and something there. A nice little corset bodice right here, and then them nice little patterning thing up here. Loving it. Showing the back. Yeah, nice little 360. Yeah guys, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And of course it's like purple, my favorite color. I mean lavender, but it's like a purple, so I love it. Yeah. So yeah guys, I really like it. It's really cute. It's giving, you can wear it to your birthday, dinner date, wedding celebration, engagement party. Like, it's nice. And like, imagine this in white. I would love it. But anyways guys, so of course this gets a 10 out of, like 100 out of 10 with me, because me love it. My favorite dress, and I had to say my favorite for last. Purple pants pants. Oh god guys. But let me know if you want no ratings for it in the comment section. If is it your guys' favorites as well? I call it my favorite. I don't know. But yeah, this is it. Dress number, no, hold on there. Let me fix right there, so. Yeah, fix now. This is dress number 8, and it's nice. It's like good support. Like, it just like the other dresses, like the right amount of exposure is on to make it sexy enough, but still hiding, leaving a lot to the imagination. Get obviously. So yeah guys, love it. Just love the dress. Favorite dress of all. So yeah, let me know if you want to score in the comment section below. So guys, that was it for my try on haul video. Hope you guys liked it. I enjoyed trying on all those dresses and just rating and just seeing myself in it. But I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. Comment down below what your favorite dress is, and don't forget to like this video guys. Like, give the video a like and a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys can know when I post another video. So yes guys, also this is like my first try on haul, so my apologies if I feel like I didn't do it right, but it's my first time, so you know. But anyways, I did enjoy doing it, and don't forget to tell a friend to come on over here, check out my videos, watch this video. And if you guys want like links before you can get the outfits, I can do that for you. Just let me know down below. And yeah, I think I feel like that is all I have to say. Happy New Year. This is actually the first video of 2024. I know that I just today I just posted the what did we say challenge, and that was actually recorded back in 2023, as well as my Bean Boozled challenge that you guys are gonna be seeing after this video, so stay tuned. The Bean Boozled challenge was recorded in 2023, so this is officially the first recorded video of 2024. Yes. Round of applause. I did promise you guys that I will be coming with the content and all of something there, and some new content for you guys who have been wanting some new, brand new content. So that's what I'm doing. I know you guys like the vlogs. Some of you guys like vlogs, but some of you guys also want other content like challenges and pranks and this and that and da 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 da. So I'm trying to do all of that for you guys. Because this channel is for my entertainment, but also yours as well. So why not? Right? So comment down below as well, what kind of challenges, more challenges, like what more challenges do you guys want to see, and what pranks, because I haven't done a prank in like a year, 2 years, I don't know, like a very long time. So comment down below what pranks, or DM me what prank, because I feel like the people them who I will be pranking, if you guys comment it down below, they might see it and not take my prank seriously. So DM me on Instagram at @the_Deeja. Yeah, that's on Instagram. And follow me on my brain just gone, on TikTok at Deeja123. So all the links are, by the way, in my description. Like everything is in my description for my TikTok, my Instagram, my Snapchat, like everything. You guys can go ahead and follow me there. So yes guys, and if you haven't yet, go ahead and watch the spicy truth or drink challenge, as well as the what did we say challenge. They're like really fun. I promise you, they are really fun. They're gonna make you laugh a lot. So head on over to there if you haven't watched it yet. And if you stayed to the end of this vlog, thank you so much for supporting me. Love you guys so much. If you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, what is you doing? Go ahead and subscribe right now. Love you guys so much. Stay safe and peace out.